The Oakville Blobs. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the Oakville Blobs, a mystery that captivated the nation. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, as I post similar content and more. Now, let's get to the story. On August 7, 1994, residents of Oakville, Washington reported that translucent blobs had rained down in the night. One of the residents, who was a female, expressed concern that her mother may have become ill due to it. She also speculated it may have been the reason her kitten died. The substance was known as the Oakville Blobs, which gets its name from the city it appeared in. Samples were collected and tested by local doctors. Doctors initially stated that the substance contained human blood cells, which is concerning because why are there human blood cells in these blobs? This raises questions like, where did these blobs come from? Did humans have anything to do with this? Aliens, possibly? All these theories were off the table when the Department of Ecology refuted these results, as the tests showed there were no nuclei present. This left local residents to make up their own theories as to what the blobs were. Some of these theories included just waste from commercial airplanes, to jellyfish being evaporated and then rained on the city. But nowadays there are no remaining test samples of the blobs. So that's the general narrative, but today we're going to take a deeper look into this very interesting story of the Oakville Blobs. As I searched online, I heard a multitude of different theories. Some of these stories range from being funny to actually disturbing. Many people on the site Reddit said it was most likely from a chemical plant. They say this because of the people getting sick and the dead animals. Others refute these claims by saying things like Oakville, Washington is a small town that's known for its logging, and that there are no chemical plants in the town. What others say is that chemicals can travel hundreds of kilometers before coming back down to the surface, meaning that the chemicals could have came from somewhere else and just happened to land in Oakville. As I searched, other people started to say it was star jelly, which is a gelatin substance sometimes found on grass. But then I came across the most disturbing Reddit story I've ever heard yet on this subject. It starts with the user saying something along the lines, I don't have any source for this, but I remember hearing a theory about military testing of some kind of mild biological weapons, which is the same story I heard before I actually started researching about the Oakville Blobs. Then another user says something that is honestly very interesting and quite disturbing. In a reply post of the first comment I read, they say that it was interesting how men in suits from the military questioned people. They took samples before they can finish testing, and they say that it looked like a red flag operation and their practice rounds of chemical weapons went wrong. While I was continuing to search on Reddit, I found someone brought up an event similar to the Oakville Blobs of Washington. They brought up an event that happened in Kentucky, called the Kentucky Meat Shower. The Kentucky Meat Shower was an incident that occurred on the 3rd of March of 1876, between 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. It happened for over several minutes and it took place in Olympia, Kentucky. During the Kentucky Meat Shower, chunks of meat fell from the sky. There are some theories that range from blood rain to vulture ejecta, but what the meat exactly was is unidentified. The meat could have been anything from lamb to horse to beef to human. Despite numerous theories of the exact cause for the Kentucky Meat Shower, it remains a subject of mystery. Despite never hearing of the Kentucky Meat Shower before, I felt off about it. I feel off about it because it's something that most likely has no correlation, but I feel it does. This correlation being that it happened near Olympia, Kentucky, and the Oakville Blobs happened in Washington State. The capital of Washington State is Olympia. So was the Kentucky Meat Shower almost telling us there was going to be a similar event in Washington? Like I said, it most likely has no correlation, but it's funny to see. The Kentucky Meat Shower isn't exactly like the Oakville Blobs. The event of the unknown meats, or unknown blobs falling from the sky, isn't really a normal thing. But as I continue my research with our main topic, the Oakville Blobs, I found another theory containing jellyfish. This one says that the military dropped the bombs in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Washington at the time, and the Oakville Chief of Police received a tip-off that detonating a school of jellyfish may be the source of the Oakville Blobs. But as I continue my research, I run into more dead ends and more of the same storytelling. But hopefully one day, we'll find the source of these blobs, and hopefully it's for the better. Hopefully something just as simple as jellyfish being evaporated and raining down on Oakville. But it's been 30 years since then, and it's looking like we're running dry. Hopefully, in the near future, we will find the real truth. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe, and turn on notifications, as I will be posting similar content just like this one. Anyways, catch you in the next one. God bless.